Welcome to another Southeast Asian Flyer hotel room tour. This is Staybridge Suites Sukhumvit in Bangkok, Thailand. And this room is their King 1-bedroom suite living area. It has what looks like a complete condo-style kitchen. They also provide dining ware and food containers. And of course, cutlery and cooking utensils. Oh, and some pots. On this side, there's some storage space. And here's the washing machine. I actually like accommodations with washers. Then here's the dining and living area. It's enough space for me to relax. Now we enter the bedroom. Here's the walk-in closet and the bathroom. They have a Japanese-style toilet, which I really like. Here's some more storage space. I believe this is more of a serviced condo than a hotel. If you want the latest deals on this hotel or other hotels, check out my Linktree or the link in the description. Let's go to the balcony before we check out some of their amenities. Now let's go to the amenities. Here's the co-working space that residents and guests can use for free. Coffee, tea, and biscuits are also free. And now here's the swimming pool. For more hotel room tours and flight reviews, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!